I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning, and before starting my day, I just have a little moment of silence, and this is my morning routine. Dahil I've almost have no time para pumunta sa okay or sa palengke, sa Shopee na ako nag-order ng almost everything, lalo na sa mga damit. 8:30 in the morning, gising na po ang aking Onika Iha. The best part of being a work-at-home mom is that I have the opportunity to take care for my baby and witnessed all her milestones in life. This is my 1 year and 7 months old baby. Her name is Steph. I usually don't drink coffee. I usually drink milk, but it seems that I need a coffee today. I also prepared milk for Steph. It is because when she saw me holding my cup of coffee, she keeps on begging for me to have her drink as well. About 10 a.m. in the morning, only then I will open my laptop. This is my little office next to a window and a TV. Nothing fancy here. First of all, I will open my emails and reply to my email subscribers, checking if there are emails that needs to be addressed. Then I will open my Facebook, checking my inbox, replying to clients, chatting with my family and friends, checking notifications, and then I will open YouTube, checking on my client's YouTube channel. Basically, I will do this for an hour.
Sinong papaliguan ni Tita? Si Inday po. Ligo ka na? Ha? Day? Po. Lakad lang. Ano mag-walk? Walk tayo, walk. Magbakarga-karga lang.
Para hindi ako ma-stress sa kakahabol sa kanya pag kumakain na, napanood ko siya ng kanyang favorite song habang sinubuan ko siya.
It's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Ayan, kakagising ko lang po. So usually, yun po talaga yung tulog namin ni baby around 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Minsan naabot ng 4. But now, medyo maaga nagising si baby.
4:45 p.m. She loves to see the world outside. This is also helpful to me for me to think of fresh ideas for my video projects and to breathe as well. After dinner, si Habi muna ang magbabantay kay baby, so wala ko balik naman sa aking work. And then around 10 to 11 p.m., pinapatulog ko na si baby.
Alas 11 na, matulog ka na. Uy, bata. Matulog ka na.
After din, kapag nakatulog na siya, babalik na ulit ako sa aking work. Normally, I spend 3 to 4 hours sa gabi for my freelance work, and sometimes I spend 1 to 2 hours naman sa gabi working on my digital business. And then, on the next morning, I could wake up at 9 or 10 a.m. It depends din kapag maaga gumising si baby.